Squirt them, Jack. Squirt them. Squirt the babies. Do it again, Jack. Squirt Garrett, Jack. What? Oh. Did you see that? He's like, and he like slipped and fell.
Jack, where your pants?
Took them off. Boys, share. Oh my goodness, you're all wet. Hey Garrett, what you doing, baby? Get in the water, Gavin. Whoa! Put it in the tub. There you go. Go get it, Gavin. What is Daddy doing? Go get it, Gavin.
Jack. Go get it.
Go get in the tub. You don't want to play? Look, there's water. Go get it. He doesn't want shorts on. You gotta leave your shorts on, Jack. Go play. You gotta leave your shorts on, Jack.
Pull them up. Pull your pants up. We'll get in timeout.
We're watering the driveway. Look, Jack's got a butt crack.
Come here, Jack. Come here. 1, 2. Hey! You having fun? Now go get in the water.
Go play. What are you doing? Don't squish those. We like those, don't we?
Did you get it?
Oh! Yeah, long string of boogers.
Jack, what's wrong with it? What's wrong with it?
Figure out where the water's at. Why isn't the water coming out? Don't come over here with it. Don't come over here with it. Go over there.
Jack, what's wrong with it?
Look at it. Figure out where the water's not coming out. Go, Jack.
Jack, go.
Put it in the pool.
Go get him. Go get him.
Get him, Gavin.
Jack, what's wrong with it? Jack, what's wrong with it?
Why isn't the water coming out? Where's the water?
You need a TT.
He thinks adding the hose to the water makes it come out. Jack, what's wrong with the water? No! 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 Nice try.
Jack, what's wrong with the hose?
Where's the water, Jack? Get the tractor out! Jack, put the water in the tub.